If you've been trying to launch your first online business, but every step feels confusing, overwhelming, or flat out impossible, then keep watching. Because this new system removes all the guesswork and shows beginners exactly what to do step by step until they're finally making progress and building a real affiliate business. This might be the simplest beginner launch system released this year. After testing it, my verdict is simple. Newbie Success Formula is the closest thing to a paint-by-numbers method for launching your first website, email system, and affiliate campaign. If you are stuck, overwhelmed, or tired of trying to piece things together from YouTube tutorials, this is absolutely worth it, especially at the current discounted price. So what exactly is Newbie Success Formula? It is a complete A to Z beginner launch system designed to help absolute beginners create their first money-making website, build automated email sequences, and deploy high-converting affiliate campaigns without needing tech skills. This is specifically built for new affiliate marketers who have no list, no experience, and no budget for complicated tools. The biggest problem it solves is the constant overwhelm of not knowing where to start or what step comes next. Instead of watching hours of tutorials and still feeling lost, this system gives you a simple linear path that shows you exactly what to do and how to do it. Now, let me walk you through the dashboard so you can see how simple it is. When you log in, you are greeted with a clean, beginner-friendly layout. Module 1 is the digital claim protocol. This is where you secure your domain, hosting, and set up your website the right way. Module 2 is the business assembly system, where you build your pages, your structure, and the core of your online business. Module 3 is the control panel advantage. This removes the tech stress and teaches you how everything works without overwhelm. Module 4 is the silent sales engine, which is where your automated email system comes to life. This runs 24/7 even while you sleep. Module 5 is the attention architect system. This shows you how to create pages that naturally pull people in and make them want to take action. You simply click play on any module, follow along with the step-by-step videos, and build everything as you watch. Even complete beginners can launch a website in days, not months. There are a few optional upgrades available if you want to scale faster. Upgrade 1 gives you advanced funnels, done-for-you templates, and deeper training for building more powerful campaigns. Upgrade 2 unlocks additional automation tools that help you run your business with less effort. Upgrade 3 gives you high-ticket training so you can promote bigger offers and earn higher commissions. These upgrades are optional, but they can save a lot of time and help beginners move faster. Pricing may vary depending on when you're watching, so click the link below to check the current discounted rates.
Hey, it's Kevin Faddy here. Straight up, let's cut the crap. You've been told that building a real online business takes months, even years of grinding, confusion, and failure. You've been told you need to be a tech genius or some sort of marketing prodigy. I'm here to tell you that's a lie. What if you could launch your first professional website and your first complete, ready to profit affiliate campaign not in 6 months, not in 6 weeks, but in a single day? Before your head hits the pillow tonight, you could be live, operational business owner. Stick with me because I'm about to show you exactly how. But first, let's be brutally honest about why you're here. You're stuck. You're drowned in a sea of shiny objects, jumping from one guru's broken promise to the next. You've probably got a hard drive full of courses you've never finished, and a wallet that's a lot lighter for it. You feel that sinking pit in your stomach when you see another person celebrating their first commission while you're still stuck on step 1, staring at that blinking cruiser. Listen to me, it's not your fault. You've been playing a rigged game. The online marketing world is filled with people selling abstract theories that they've never actually used to build something from scratch. They're designed to keep you confused, dependent, and always buying the next thing. My name is Kevin Faddy, and for the last 18 years, I haven't been selling dreams from a rented mansion. I've been in the digital trenches, building real multi-7-figure businesses from the ground up. I've seen every trend come and go, and I've tested every strategy. And along the way, I've personally coached tens of thousands of students, people just like you, out of their den jobs and into lives of freedom and control, building their own 6 and even 7-figure online incomes. The difference between them and everyone else, they stopped listening to the noise and started using a proven blueprint. This is the blueprint I've distilled my entire 18-year playbook into under one undeniable click-by-click implementation system. Let me introduce the Newbie Success Formula. This isn't a course you watch, it's a system you execute. It's a cure for overwhelm. Inside, you'll master the complete 10-module, zero guesswork success flow. First, we build your fortress and we'll master the digital claim protocol. Stop preparing and start owning digital ground. The business assembly system, transformed a blank screen into a real business structure. The control panel advantage, where tech complexity evaporates and is replaced with pure power. Then we install your 24/7 income engine. You'll deploy the silent sales engine so your business finally starts working for you even while you sleep. The attention architect system to create digital assets that attract subscribers and sales. The affiliate authority engine to stop random promoting and start building a real sustainable income. Finally, we teach you to command growth like a pro. You'll implement the value multiplier system to make buying from you the only logical choice. The income deployment formula to strategically trigger and scale your revenue. The traffic ignition protocol, where traffic isn't luck, it's a switch you flip on. The momentum command formula, the final key to scaling your wins and thinking like a 7-figure marketer. Imagine this for a moment. You wake up tomorrow and instead of confusion, you have a live website. Instead of guesswork, you have an automated email system already working. Instead of confused, you have your first affiliate campaign deployed and ready to make sales. Imagine the feeling of control, the unshakable confidence that comes with knowing you can sit down at any time and deploy a new income stream from scratch. That's not a fantasy. That's what having a real blueprint feels like. Look, I know that even with imperfect system, you might hit a snag, and that's why I'm stacking the deck so far in your favor. It's almost impossible for you to fail. When you join today, I'm giving you my personal success acceleration kit of 5 powerful bonuses. Bonus number 1, the live Newbie Success webinar. Got a question? Get on a call live with me. We'll solve it for you on the spot. No more being stuck. I'll show you how to get more done in 2 hours than most people do in a week. This is how you build an empire in your spare time. Bonus number 3, 3 plug and profit list building funnels. These aren't templates. These are my own proven funnels ready for you to copy and paste and start collecting leads and sales tonight. Bonus 4, the private Facebook mastermind group. You will not be alone. This is your 24/7 success circle where you can get feedback, support, and accountability. Bonus number 5, the business with AI training. I'll give you the unfair advantage by showing you the exact AI tools we use to automate tasks and dominate our competition. All right, let's talk about the investment. You've seen the proof, you've seen the system. You're getting my entire 10 module formula backed by 18 years of proven results, plus the entire bonus success acceleration kit. The real world documented value of this package is $6,369. But you're not going to pay that. For this limited launch special, I'm doing something crazy. For a limited time, the entire training program and bonuses is available at a massive discount. Once this launch special ends, the price will jump to its real value of at least $197. This is your one and only shot. And just to take every last shred of risk off your shoulders, your tiny investment is protected by my 30-day, no questions asked, ironclad money-back guarantee. Go through the entire system. If you're not blown away, if you don't feel the shift from confused to confident, you can get every penny back. Simple as that. This is your moment. The 9 to 5 you hate, the freedom you crave, the income you deserve. It's right here. You're at the crossroads. Down one path is the same frustration you're living now. Down the other path is a proven blueprint for a new life. Stop being a spectator. It's time to become the success story. I've given you the map. Now it's time to take the first step. Click the button below now. Lock in your insane discount and let's get your business live today.
To help you get even better results, I'm also including an exclusive bonus bundle for buyers who grab Newbie Success Formula through the link below. You will get Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact slideshows that boost engagement fast. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your site instantly and reduce bounce rates. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Connect Facebook lead ads directly to your autoresponder. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to your emails for higher conversions. Bonus 5, Article Analyzer. Optimize your content for better Google rankings. Bonus 6, Slide Up Bar Plugin. Build your list using attractive slide up opt-in bars. Bonus 7, Power List Pro. Create animated entry and exit pop-ups for more leads. Bonus 8, Social Ultima, a full social media traffic booster for free organic reach. Bonus 9, Build Vidder. Build fast-loading video sales pages without coding. Bonus 10, WP Video Focus. Keep your videos visible as visitors scroll, increasing watch time. These bonuses alone are worth far more than the cost of the main product, and they are only available for a limited time or until bonus slots run out. Remember, you must use the link below to secure all bonuses automatically. So here is the final verdict. If you are a beginner who is tired of feeling stuck, confused, or overwhelmed, then Newbie Success Formula is one of the most complete and beginner-friendly systems you will find. It removes complicated tech, eliminates guesswork, and gives you a clear roadmap to launch your first real online business. The bonuses I mentioned earlier expire in 48 hours or once the first 25 buyers claim them. After that, they are gone for good. Click the link below right now to get instant access while the discount is still active and the bonuses are still available. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drop a comment below if you want a walkthrough of any other product. Your bonuses will be delivered automatically inside your Warrior Plus account under the button that says Access Affiliate Buyers. Click the link below to get Newbie Success Formula, and I will see you inside.